Well, welcome to Chemistry 101. And what we're going to do in today's class is tell you the origination of a word you probably use all the time, but you've said, oh, where'd that word come from? Well, this one you may find kind of interesting, so follow along. There's lots of words that we use in the English language. You wonder where the heck that came from. And usually they're derivative of something else. And I'm going to give you a particular one. Let's say you like a bag of chips. There's potato chips. There's all sorts of different chips. There's a Pringles. I don't know what the Pringles, well, Pringles came from potatoes, but there's all sorts of different chip names out there. But there's another one that you've heard of the thing called, give me some nachos. You order those up at the restaurant, right? Yeah, I can order a nachos over here. And nachos, well, you get the chips, but you get that cheese, right? The nacho cheese. And then let's say a grocery store, you want to make your own. You buy a jar of nacho cheese. And you're saying, well, nachos. And everybody knows the term, hey, I like nachos, I get nachos, I eat nachos this, nachos that. Well, where did the term nachos come from? You're going, really? I don't know. Well, that's why we're having a class today to discuss the origination of the term nachos. Believe it or not, it's a chemical name. Now, I want you to take a look at this. This is the chemical composition of sodium citrate. Now, sodium citrate essentially is sodium and a citrate that goes with it. That's what's mixed into cheese to make the cheese creamy. If you look closely at sodium, its designation is Na. Citrate, CHO. And different molecules, different number of molecules will make it up. But you get NaCHO. See how that comes out? And what does NaCHO spell? Nacho. Now I think you may understand. Now that you're calling, hey, I want to get me an order of nachos, it's actually a scientific name for sodium citrate, which is what makes cheese creamy. Now, most of you are going to go, really? Oh, big deal. That can't be legit. Yes, it is. Because in the tables, sodium is Na, citrate, CHO, depending on how many molecules and everything. It's not a big thing, but now you may understand why that word is used to delineate a type of cheese that you have on your chips, or type of chips that you could buy. I want some of those nacho chips, cheese-covered, cheese-tasting chips. So now you understand the term nachos is actually the scientific name of sodium citrate. Guess what? You just learned something in Chemistry 101, and you're welcome.